friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest budget offering from Lava in India, the Lava Z62. So there have been a lot of smartphones in the budget segment getting announced, and Lava Mobiles, which is an Indian brand, has announced their latest offering, the Z62 or Z62, which is priced 6,060 rupees in India, and this is available on Flipkart. So in this video we'll do a quick unboxing of this device. We'll talk about the specifications and also the features. So this is the box packing of the Lava Z62, and you can see the back of the box mentions the specifications. We have a dedicated Google Assistant key available, then a 6-inch full view display, 2.5D curved glass, 8 megapixel rear camera, f2.0 aperture, 5 megapixel front camera, f2.2 aperture, LED flash on both sides, AI photo, and 3380 mAh capacity battery, and 2 GB RAM and 16 GB internal storage, and this is powered by the Helio A22 quad core chipset that's clocked at 2 GHz. So that's the specifications of the Lava Z62. So let's get started with unboxing. So first let's open the box package. So there you go. Now just taking this out, you can see this is the Lava Z62. So there you go. So you can see that it comes in a gradient finish. We have the black color on the top panel, while towards the bottom it is more like a bluish tint. We have the speakers in the back panel, Lava branding. The camera, it's an 8 megapixel camera included. LED flash is also included. Power and volume keys on the right side. The bottom panel has the micro USB charging slot. The left side houses the dedicated Google button, and top panel has a 3.5mm audio jack. The front panel houses the selfie flash as well as the 5 megapixel camera and a 6-inch display. Now let's boot the device. So you can see that it has a curved finishing towards the edges. The build quality looks quite okay, and the finishing also looks quite good. You can see that the curved edges gives it a good feel altogether. Now let's see what else comes inside the box package of the device. So taking this out, you can see there is a case included. So this is a pretty basic case. You can see that it does give protection for the device. So that's the case. Then this is a manual included on how to set up all these things. Then we have the adapter. So adapter rating is 5 volt 1 ampere. That's standard 5 watt charging, pretty basic charging included. Then you also get the USB cable. This is the charging and data syncing cable included in the box package. So that's all inside the box. Now let's have a look at the device. So now we have booted the device. So that's the Lava Z62. You can see the 6-inch display, and the display quality looks quite okay for the budget segment. You can see there is no notch included. It's a traditional display with the top and the bottom bezels. So that's the traditional display we have seen on a lot of smartphones, and we have quite good viewing angles as well. The colors looks okay. The brightness levels are also acceptable for this price segment. And now let's have a look at the software. So Lava is offering Android 9.0, and on top of that we have this custom UI. You can see that there is no app drawer. It's multiple home screens, and a few apps are also pre-installed. You can see the Android version is 9.0. We have some customization options. So you can see you can do a bit of customization to the navigational options. Then gestures are supported. So these are the options available. So it looks more or less like the stock in terms of settings, but we have multiple home screens devoid of an app drawer. So that's the UI. Now let's have a look at the camera. So it's an 8 megapixel shooter. That's the camera on the Lava Z62, and the front panel, it has a 5 megapixel shooter, which is again having AI mode. So both the rear and the front cameras have a flash included. That's the additional options. You can see that professional mode is included, photo, portrait, video recording. Let's see the quality of the video recording. So 1080p resolution is supported. That's again quite. So here are some camera samples we have taken with the Lava Z62, which is a budget smartphone. So you can see the camera samples and judge yourself how good the clarity is. Now the Lava Z62 comes with a 3380 mAh capacity battery, and Lava is saying that should be able to last you easily on a day. So that's the battery capacity. Now this device is priced 6,060 in India, and this is also available on Flipkart. So summing up on the specifications, that's a 6-inch LCD display with a resolution of 480 by 960 pixels, Helio A22 a quad core chipset. Then we have 2 GB RAM, 16 GB storage, micro SD card expansion slot, 8 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, dual 4G is included, and 3380 mAh capacity battery, and Android 9.0. So that's the unboxing and hands-on with the Lava Z62. It's a budget segment device, and this is priced 6060 in India. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great